Should be good. Welcome in. So I was just doing, I was just looking at the margin or the borders of these boss cards here. One of the things that I do like the tier list page in general. I think it's the most well designed visually. I think it's the most aesthetically pleasing, most aesthetically developed. But I don't like, and this is just a consequence of there being over 300 bosses, I don't like how much work it is to like find the boss that you want, because not everybody is a psychopath like me and has beaten every single boss. So some people just want Bloodborne or just want Dark Souls or Elden Ring. There's going to be a lot of people who'd only want Elden Ring bosses. And how do I accommodate those people? So I added these borders, and I just figured out, I was a little confused because you can see that there's margin in between horizontally, in between the columns, and in between the rows. But I was really struggling with the rows. I don't know why, but the rows needs 3 pixels of margin. Like margin bottom needs to be set to 3 pixels. Margin left is set to 1. I don't know why. I would think that it'd be the same, but it's not. But it's okay, as long as it looks good, you know? And it does. I love how that looks. I was playing around with the idea of a 2-pixel border, but I think that's bulky and gross. I think it is bulky and nasty. 2-pixel border. Let me show you what that looks like. Look at this. I don't think it thickened, or did it? I don't think it thickened. Yeah, it didn't. But trust me, it looks bad. I always have to manually clear my cookies. I gotta figure out how to get around that. I love this lo-fi beat, by the way. Pretty awesome, in my opinion. Cookies, clear. Here. Clear cached web content. And then I'll show you what it looks like with 2 pixels. This is 2 pixels border. Too thick. Kind of gross, in my opinion. It's a little bit more discernible, but it's just too much for me, honestly. I think it looks better with 1. I think 1 looks kind of sleek, kind of clean. Yeah, 1 is the move. So we got 1 pixel. Now the other thing I was I couldn't find a perfect solution for this. What color does each game get? So there are some easy ones. Demon Souls, white, easy, because of the karma system. What is the karma system called again? Karma system. Tendency, world tendency system. It's on a scale from white to black. And so I went with white. I could go with silver. What would silver look like? It's not bad. I like white though. I like white. It just stands out a little bit more, and the background's already dark gray, so it kind of needs to stand out. So I like the white for Demon Souls because it matches with world tendency. Elden Ring is gonna be gold, or in this case yellow, because it needs to have a better contrast with Sekiro. Gold doesn't stand out as much. Sekiro is orange because Sekiro wears orange. Elden Ring is gold, that's easy. Sekiro's orange, that's easy. Dark Souls 3 is red, that's easy because you are the Ashen one, and it's all about fire and ember. So those three are easy. Demon Souls white, easy. Bloodborne dark blue, easy, in my opinion. I don't know what other color it would be. The question is Dark Souls 2 and Dark Souls 1, because I don't really think they have a clear color that they would align to. Dark Souls 1, I would feel like, would be like red because of the bonfire, but it's not as clearly red as Dark Souls 3 would be. Dark Souls 2, I went with purple because Nishandra's purple. That's really it. So then that kind of left Dark Souls 1 with green, pink, light blue. So I went with green. And I think these are the best. This is the best color scheme, I think.
Sound the gifting panic alarm.
Oh my gosh.
You need to find the perfect gift. You have zero idea.
So in the end, Demon Souls white, Dark Souls green, Dark Souls 2 purple, Bloodborne dark blue, DS3 red, Sekiro orange, Elden Ring yellow. I think that is the best combo. I think that is the best configuration for the colors. So I'm happy with that. Oh, there's a bit of delay. I was like, alright, cool. I have a little to-do list. I think I could show that. So boss cards outline. I think we got that done. Oh, and just so you know, this is what it looks like with no outline. This is the real like live website. This is just my local instance. This is the live website. This is with no border. See what I mean? It's like, oh, if I want to find the one reborn, there it is. Well, I guess it's not fair because I already know where everything is, but if I want to find Tree Sentinel. Oh, no, that's a double, not solo. There he is. Maybe bad examples because I did those pretty fast, but my point stands. It's easier to find things. It's also just easier to find where one game begins and ends. That's the big thing. Because if it's like, okay, find where Dark Souls 3 begins and ends. Dark Souls 3 begins here with Old Demon King, and it ends with Wolnir. But if I have this, I just go begins, boom, ends, boom. So I don't need to justify. I don't even need to defend this decision. It's pretty obvious why it's intuitive. But anyway, that's gonna be that. So we got that. Filters window size. Oh yeah, so on matchup, this looks good. Enough. I understand it's not pretty.
I will remain by your side.
But
till this frail hope shatters.
somebody was testing it on a smaller, like a laptop. My problem is that I hard coded the width here of the filter section. Can't be doing that. Then it looks ugly, because then this kind of overlaps it, and it's a mess. Wait, Dark Souls. What has the longest name? Elden Ring? Yeah. So I gotta fix this part. So I think we could, yeah, see how it doesn't, what's the word for front end when something dynamically changes according to the size? I forgot what the term is. It's not dynamic. Where is it dynamic? Responsive. That's the word. It's not responsive. I mean, to be fair, neither is. Well, weighted just kind of works because it's how it is. Tier list kind of just works as well. Tier list, I guess you could say tier list is responsive because you shrink it and the tier gets bigger. And if you add, so I guess you could say tier list is responsive. Not intentionally, I kind of just accidentally made it responsive. Don't do that again. And then community. Yeah, the rankings, the results pages gotta get majorly overhauled. These things are hideous. Yeah, nah, this can't be. Can't keep living like this. My profile, I'm not logged in. Haha. Now if I do log in, DarkSoulsBossRanker. Oh, I haven't casted any votes. That's why. Oh, this leads me to the next thing, doesn't it? Submit. Yeah, I need a alert there to confirm. Let's cast some votes. Tier list. Submit. One of these should have. Okay. Top 5 bosses. What did I give Blue Dragon? 9.5? I would not give Blue Dragon 9.5, to be very clear. Don't cancel me. Penetrator a 9 though? I might actually give Penetrator a 9. I like Penetrator a lot. Penetrator, Flame Lurker, and Alant. False King, obviously. Old King, I'm sorry. Old King Alant and King Alant. Penetrator, Alant, Flame Lurker gotta be the Demon Souls top 3, right? I mean, who would disagree with that? Forgot this is lo-fi. Lo-fi Dark Souls. How many people you know that jam out to lo-fi Dark Souls? See, if you go to Twitch and you just type in Elden Ring, what are the top streams? Kai. Where's Kai? Where's Kai? For Amazula. He beat Fire Giant. 876 deaths. Man, that is a lot of deaths. He said I'm so ass. I'm not gonna rain on his parade, but I'm not gonna insult somebody. It's not very. That death count's kind of crazy. Death count's kind of 877 deaths now. Did he beat Moog though? I don't think he ever beat Moog. Did he just skip Moog? And he's gonna come back. He quit against Moog. He'll come back and beat Moog, I guess. I know he died over 100 times to Moog, which is insane. But honestly, I didn't do much better. I probably died at least 50 times to Moog. I struggled a lot with Moog. Other than Millennia, I think I died to Moog the most, or Elden Beast. I hated Elden Beast, man. If I could give Elden Beast a ranking, where's Elden Beast? Yeah, that's another. I gotta order. See, I have on here. Where do I have it? Beautify, blah, 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 blah. Boss details. Well, I want to give a game order because right now I don't really remember how I ordered them. I didn't really do. There wasn't really much. Oh yeah, that's right. I need to split up Radic on an Elden Beast. But if it was just Elden Beast, bro, Elden Beast gets a 1. I'm sorry. Elden Beast is terrible. Hate that boss. And by I hate it, I mean I'm not good at it. But is there really a difference? Is there really a difference? I don't think so. Okay. Outlines. Outlines are good. What's next? This is gonna take a while. Create account? Oh, beautify. It's under beautify. I already have that. Yeah, we need this. So what? Submit. Okay, so weighted doesn't give confirmation. Matchup. It doesn't really need confirmation, honestly. And tier list, I could have swore did give confirmation, but it doesn't. I'm okay. Okay. And then what about not logged in error? Not logged in alert, I should say. Weighted matchup tier list. If I log out, weighted. Submit. Must be logged in. Well, you can skip. Even if you're not logged in, you can skip. And filter, I think. You should be able to do everything. Bloodborne, Dark Souls, Bloodborne, Dark Souls, Bloodborne, Dark Souls, Bloodborne, Dark Souls, Bloodborne, Dark Souls. Merciless Watchers twice. But you can't vote. And then tier list. Submit. Okay, so that's what I did. I did all of the not logged in errors alerts, but I didn't do the voting confirmation, which I really thought I did, honestly. I really thought I did. This is the production. This is the real one. I do it here. Huh. I really didn't. What is that? Fallen Knight? That is not a Dark Souls beat. What is taking so long? I'm logged in. There we go. Alright, well, I legitimately didn't do it. Okay, so let's add that. So this is local. Do weighted first. What is the function on submit? Submit ratings. Tier list. No, weighted.js. Submit ratings. Let's add that. Oh, that's good. I guess we could go for a reload on submission. No, I don't think that's necessary. Let's not do a reload. What is the point of that? Yeah, what's the point of that? Add that piece of copy paste that piece of code into tier list.
If I feel good on my board, then I feel like I could do anything.
This is a lot of ads.
I want to.
Sorry, guys. Hey, how are you?
Are you
Lauren Zach, I hope you're still watching, Lauren Zach. I'm doing well.
maybe a pawn of fate? Bearer of the curse,
Account created May 7th.
I will remain by your side till this frail hope shatters.
Yacker.
Take this with you.
You're getting. How do I.
May it ease your journey. Go on and see.
First time chat. How do I. Users in chat. Yacker 222. How do I like kill that message and kill it dead? Block. It says they're blocked, but how do I chat settings? Deleted messages. Oh my gosh, how do I freaking... Let me actually, in case anybody wants to try it out. Pin that. That's fine. Well, I don't know how to ban Yacker. I don't know how to kill that message. So, whoops. Yeah, how do I kill this message, man? Twist stream. How to delete spam message. Click the delete message situated on the left side of the username. I'm not seeing that, Chief. Pop out chat, maybe? It's kind of cool. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, now they're gone. Oh, now I can see time. Lauren Zach at 3:18. Probably left by now. but I appreciate it. Okay. We gotta add those alerts. Lobos is playing Elden Ring right now. Cool. All right. Anyway, I gotta focus. Tier list. Yeah, tier list needs. Oh, what is that? Kill that. Weighted has response, or weighted has alert. Good. Now tier list needs the alert. Submit tier rankings. And then match up. Da, da, da. All right. That should do it for the local. Let's try it out. Refresh. Weighted. First of all, must be logged in. Matchup. Must be logged in. Tier list. Must be logged in. It's good. Now let's log in. Is this a cookies thing? Oh. Oh, it's a 201. I'm checking for a 200, aren't I? Post. That's why I'm checking for a 200. Let's check for a 201 as well. Tier list. I'm checking for a 200. Post. Flow boss. Weighted. Submit. Why is it working? Post? Method post? That gives me a 201. This gives me the same let's think. Seems to be no reason for this. It's the same endpoint, checking for the same response code. Okay, let's do no, it's gotta be, because that's an if else. There's literally no way. Yeah, no, it's gotta be cookies. Let's clear them again, I suppose. Clear cached web content again. Okay. Submit. Yeah. Waited. There we go. So waited in tier list when you submit is successful. Now let's log out. Must be logged in, waited. Must be logged in. Matchup. Must be logged in. Am I my viewer? Is that what that one viewer is? Me? Cool. Okay. Boom and boom. Cool. Cool. Doom cha. Boom cha. Boom cha. Boom cha. Doom cha, doom cha, doom cha, doom, doom cha, doom cha, doom, doom cha, doom cha. I was just saying what the delay was. It's pretty minimal delay actually. It's pretty minimal delay actually. Am I echoing? Oh, cause you hear what? Oh, that's why. If I mute myself again, it should be fine. Cause you hear what comes through here. You hear what comes through the speakers, and if my own voice is coming through the speakers when I unmute myself on the Twitch stream, yeah. Okay, cool. I really want to do this. Game order. It's gonna make my life so much easier. But it's gonna be a lot of work. It's not a lot of work, it's just tedious. It's not really fun to just sit there and one by one.
Need to find the perfect gift?
No.
Don't panic.
Actually,
Gift
kinda
mode takes
do.
the stress out of gifting and makes it easy to find items made by independent sellers for anyone and any occasion. Try gift mode on Etsy now.
What else is quick and easy? Filters window size. Let's do that. Let's do that. So right now this is set to filters is set to width. Oh gosh, oh my gosh, why is the width this complicated? It's 100 view width minus 1002 pixels in parentheses divided by 2. Why? Why is it that? What was I thinking? Just make it like 30% or something. Alright, 30%, let's see how that looks. No way. Nah, I can't be right. 50%. Yeah, I didn't think so. Let's do it again. I don't know why it's not working. If I add like... If I change that, is it like nothing's updating? Okay, so that is... So there's something else controlling the size of that, clearly. This sounds like Demon Souls. Souls of Mist, yep. Oh my gosh, the filters are so much bigger than I thought. Oh, maybe it is shrinking. Wait, that looks like 50%. That is 50%. Let's do 25. It is shrinking. I'm so stupid. It is shrinking. It was just so big to begin with. That's the problem. Yup. Alright, so there's a couple problems with this right now. So then what is this? What's this called? Boss matchup table? Where is that at? I put that in an absolute position, that's why. Well, if the filters is 25%, I feel like the boss table should be 50. Now do they line up? No, it still goes over. Position absolute, that's why. What if I comment this stuff out? Yep, that's about what I thought. So, but they're both in the content wrapper. Are either one of their positions absolute? No, neither position is absolute. Wait, transform. Bro, what did I do? That's crazy. Did I just cook that fast? Did I just cook that fast? Boy, that's wild. I just did it that fast. Height 500 pixels. That I should probably not hard code that either. What's the body? Body is 640. Divided by, I'm sorry, 500 divided by 640, 78. Height 80%. Let's try height 80%. Pardon. Pardon me? What? What's the height right now? Oh yeah, 500 pixels, duh. What is it? 80 content wrapper. Oh. Oh, it's 80% of the content wrapper. So I want it to be 100% then. Because I want it to be the same as the content wrapper. So just no specified height then. Content height wrapper is what I need to set. Content height, content wrapper height, 100%. That's not the same. Why not? What is content wrapper inside? Flex? No, it is a flex. What is content wrapper inside? Body. Why is the body 537? Why? guess I'll set the body directly. Height. 100 viewport height. I have a feeling that's not gonna look good. Yeah. So we'll do 80. Now we'll do 70. Bro, that picture is clean. Should it be shorter? Or is that a good height? Should it be shorter or is that a good height? This is the original. This is new. I kind of like that the new height makes the boss image a square. That's good. I feel like there's less distortion that way. Well, I can't even say that. It depends so heavily on what image. I think for now that's good. I'm gonna open it on another window and play around with it. Oh wait, let me just should still see something, right? Yeah, there you go. There you go, watch that. I'm gonna play around with this. Yeah, that works. That's better. That's better. That's better. Yep. That's a winner right there, I think. Okay. Ooh. I'm really avoiding this. I'm avoiding that. Okay, here's what I'm avoiding. This. Oh, I'm avoiding this. I'm avoiding boss details, tier list redesign, boss details page. Are the main things I'm avoiding. I don't want to do those. Sounds like a lot of work. Oh, I can do that. That could be quick. That could be quick. So when you create a user, I gotta. Let me do that on my back end and front end. So post users, create new user.
to find the perfect gift. You have zero ideas and you don't know where to start.
Email string by Pydantic. Okay. Email string by Pydantic. Where's my user create model? I think we're just going to use regex because I like having my admin account DSBR. But from now on, all right, so we have checking for something at domain dot something at something dot something for the email, and then password has to be at least 8 characters. Create user. Now, I like that. Some good work. I'm really proud of the boss card outlines. I think that looks really nice. I think that looks really nice. I think that'll be good for now. Next is gonna be this stuff. Yeah, I guess next should be that. I mean, no, next should probably be organizing community and user profile. Would it be good to have the outlines here too? I don't know. Let's try it out real quick. I can still feel the love. Results community matchup.
Need to find the perfect gift?
Nope.
Don't panic. Gift mode takes the stress out of gifting and makes it easy to find items made by independent sellers for anyone and any occasion. Try gift mode on Etsy now.
All black borders. Which means the code is there, it's just not matching anything. Why not? I bet I know why. I bet I know why. Matchup results. Model needs game string. That's what we need. We'll be good. We'll be good now. Probably should go to models as well. Matchup results. Yep, now they have them. It couldn't hurt. I like how it looks. I think there's a consistency to it. We got all the... Oh, it's a white frame, that's why. Boo, 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 boo. That's pretty cool. Now, what we need to do is organize this. But I think we'll do that next time.